What's up, everybody? This is Larry Porter here, back with another video with Time to Unwind. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a good mimosa, how to make a really good one. Pretty simple video. You know, sometimes you will see Umika on the video, sometimes you'll see me, our husband. Just want to give you guys some value today. In case you're not familiar with the mimosa making process, this video is going to be just what you need. If this is your first time watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos or updates from Time to Unwind. Now, making a mimosa is pretty much easy. You just need to pair your favorite champagne with your favorite juice, and now you have a mimosa. However, if you are really looking for some step-by-step flavorful recipes, I'm going to share with you 4 recipes for mimosas that you can choose from. So be sure to stay tuned because you do not want to miss these 4 fruity, tasty recipes. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Now, the following recipes that I'll be sharing are wines from the One Hope catalog. I put together 4 refreshing mimosa recipes to share with you that are perfect to enjoy all spring and summer long. Now, the first 3 recipes are super simple, 2-ingredient mimosas where you add your ideal juice to bubbles ratio, while the 4th is perfect for anyone looking for something a little bit more fancy. Now, if you want to learn more about One Hope or some of the wines I'm mentioning in this video today, feel free to click the link in the description. I'm going to leave the link to the One Hope site so you guys can learn a little bit more information about One Hope and the particular wines that are being mentioned in today's video. With that being said, you can also use your favorite champagne as well as an alternative, but I recommend using the One Hope wines as their alcohol percentage tends to be higher. Gotta love that strong percentage. Now let's jump into the first recipe, the OG Mimosa. Ingredients: fresh squeezed orange juice, and then you would need One Hope Vintner Collection Sparkling Brut wine. This would be the simplest and most common mimosa. So if you are an orange juice lover, this recipe would be your go-to. Now next up, we have the Grapefruit Mimosa. Here are the ingredients for the Grapefruit Mimosa: fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, and once again, One Hope Vintner Collection Sparkling Brut. Now number 3, maybe you like pineapples. The Pineapple Mimosa ingredients are pineapple juice, and of course the One Hope Vintner Collection Sparkling Brut. And last but not least, we have the Strawberry-Daiquiri-Mimosa. Now this mimosa is a little bit more fancy. This particular recipe will serve 5 to 6 people. Ingredients includes 3 cups fresh strawberries, stems removed, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and of course, One Hope's Vintner Collection Sparkling Brut, or whatever champagne you choose as an alternative. But I recommend using One Hope's because their percentage is a little bit stronger and you gotta love their strength. Now, once you get all these, next what you wanna do is combine the strawberries, honey, and lemon juice in a blender on low-medium speed for about 30 seconds until a smooth puree forms. Pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of the strawberry puree into a sparkling wine flute and top with Vintner Brut. So there you have it in a nutshell. How to make a good mimosa. You can also visit the article on these 4 recipes that I mentioned in today's video by visiting the description below. There will be a link to the article, so be sure to check that out to learn even more information on these step-by-step recipes in addition to the wines. So you know what time it is? It's comment time. So guys, I want to know your feedback. What's your favorite type of wine? Is it dry, sweet, semi-sweet? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to know your feedback on your favorite wine. And once again, if you want to learn more information about One Hope wines or anything about One Hope, don't forget to click that link in the description so you can learn more information. And don't forget to like and share with others.